Rapid fire with AI leaders. Hooray! Hooray!
Hello and welcome everyone. In this round of Rapid Fire with AI leaders, we are taking things up a notch. We have not one, but two leaders from the field of AI and data. I'm Apoor from Analytics Vidhya, and joining us today are Susan Walsh and Josh Starmer. Susan is the founder of the Classification Guru, and Joshua is the founder and CEO of StatQuest. So welcome Joshua, welcome Susan. Really appreciate you doing this.
Hello.
So guys, the rules of the sessions are pretty simple. I'm going to ask you questions related to Gen AI and your general experience, and you have to be really quick and candid with your responses. So guys, we are going to have 3 rounds in this session. And our very first round is faster than LLM. Good to go?
Good to go.
Ready.
All right. So we will start with Joshua. Joshua, what is that one AI technology that you find is overhyped?
LLMs.
Okay, you went right for the big one.
That's right.
Susan, name one biggest mistake that enterprises make while working with data.
Oh, they don't clean their data.
Right, absolutely. Coming back to Josh, what is the best use of large language model that you have experienced?
My favorite use is using it to cluster documents. I think that's one of
Love
the
it.
best things you can do.
Very interesting. So coming to Susan,
Yeah.
if you could automate one aspect of your life with AI, what would that be?
Cooking.
Cooking.
Hate it.
Joshua, if you had to rename Transformers, what would you rename them?
I guess I'd call them like attention machines or something like that.
Right, and they do get
Yeah.
confused all the time with other Transformers, right?
Yeah,
Different
exactly.
kinds of Transformers.
Yeah.
So Susan, if you develop an LLM that specializes on data cleaning, what would you call it?
Cleanification.
All right, guys, that was the end of the first round. This is the second round of our session. This is called This or That. In this round, rather than going alternatively, we'll go one by one.
Okay.
And Susan, we can start with you in this round.
Okay.
Okay, so the first one is missing data or wrong data.
Wrong data.
Cleaning structured data or text data.
Structured data.
Synthetic data from bootstrapping or synthetic data from generative AI.
Oh, bootstrapping.
Bootstrapping. All right.
Yeah.
Great. Let's see if Josh can beat you in this round. All right, Josh.
Yeah.
PyTorch or TensorFlow?
PyTorch.
Okay. ChatGPT for Omni or Claude 3.5 Sonnet?
Claude.
Fine-tuning or prompt engineering?
Whew, tough. Fine-tuning.
Fine-tuning. All right, great. I think you also did quite well in your round. Great job, guys. We are moving on to our last round. It's called Never Have I Ever.
Oh
Right?
no.
So, unlike the other rounds, in this round, both of you can go at the same time. So, let's start with the very first one. Never have I ever felt a bit intimidated by generative AI.
Always.
No.
Okay. The next one is, never have I ever lost data because I forgot to back it up.
Always.
Okay. The next one is, never have I ever doubted the accuracy of my analysis.
Always.
Excuse me.
Okay. Never have I ever trusted my instincts over data analysis.
Always.
I have never trusted my instincts over data analysis.
Never have I ever debugged a piece of code for hours only to find it was a simple typo.
Always.
Oh, always.
So, who do you think has scored more rapid points?
Obviously me.
And congratulations, both of you. It is a tie. You
Hooray.
have scored 8 points. So, thank you guys for doing this. Really enjoyed this rapid fire.